I think I'm gonna have some explaining to do with this one, huh? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Prince, having a great day today. So as you guys can see behind me, the truck is once again up on jack stands. Another big project that once again also failed. So turn this light on real quick for you guys. So we've been in the process of working on the upper control arms, which has been what we've been up to the last few days. Starting Saturday, we took everything apart and got the old control arm out. But the issue we've been having is that Camber kit I picked up a while back, which both Jegs and AutoZone said fits the 03, apparently doesn't fit the 03. So now we're having to find a different camber kit because I'm not wanting to put another stock setup. I can't really do that because my dad actually cut the bolt, one of the camber bolts off. So I don't really have a way to put the original camber bolt back in to go back to a stock setup. So right now we're pretty much working at the mercy of part stores that are just happen to have the proper setup in. So that explains why we've got the truck apart right here, which you guys can't see too. So I'm gonna crank the exposure up real quick. You see we got the arm in, there's a wrench there. We got one side of the camber kit installed. The cam though doesn't sit flush, which is one of the first things, and this one won't even fit on the other side here. So obviously there's something going on with that. I don't know what, but it's definitely very frustrating for sure, because I wanted to have that video out for you guys today. The first episode of Maintenance Mayhem would have been this. So now I'm having to spend even more money, this time not my fault like it was with the headlight bulbs, but this being both Jegs and AutoZone saying that these fit, obviously they don't fit the 03s. So that's a huge hiccup and huge just kick in the face on this one. So so now, due to AutoZone and Jegs, my truck is going to be stuck in the garage for the foreseeable future until we can get the proper proper camber kit to fix this, which no one has in stock, of course. And it's just an overall nightmare. But that's why I'm calling this Maintenance Mayhem episode 0, because technically this would have been episode 1. But like I said, it's halfway done, and I'm working on that video. I'm probably gonna scrap the majority of it and only film the other side for the actual video. I mean, literally, we stopped yesterday and we left everything out here. I've got a water bottle that I didn't even pick up yesterday. My tripod's still out here. I mean, we literally just were like, no, screw this, and went back inside. But we do have the old arm here, and I want to show you guys how bad this upper ball joint is. These are supposed to be pretty stiff. Like that one, when we put it in, I couldn't even move it. This one, literally just has a crap ton of play in it. So compared to that one, which was, I couldn't even move it. Just shows you that it was a good catch. It was a good idea. We swapped out the control arm while doing the camber kit, but oh my goodness, was it a nightmare. So the old girl's gonna be here for a few more days, which really sucks, but it is what it is, I guess. So from there, I'm probably, if I have to order a new camber kit, probably gonna go ahead and order a new harmonic balancer for this thing. If you guys don't know, 4.0s in particular are pretty notorious for having harmonic balancer issues, and pretty similar to like the LS2, for example. And I'm assuming that in the same vein, the LS2's kind of issues with them snapping the snout off the cranks would be an issue with the 4.0. So I'm going to work on getting that ordered, which I budgeted for. I didn't budget to buy a second camber kit at all, or these control arms to begin with. But sometimes life just likes to do that to you. So it's quite frustrating, yes, but it'll be, all worth it in the end to have refresh suspension. I mean, this truck's got a brand new sway bar end link setup, new tie rods. We'll have new control arms in here. The only thing that might still be factory, I think, is the factory sway bar and the factory lower ball joints. That's like the only things that are left to be factory suspension in this thing. So yeah, it's annoying, but we live to fight another day. It's just a roadblock for sure. But I thought I would do this quick video just to tell you guys about that, because obviously it's going to put a damper on Sport Track content this week. Also wanted to thank you all of you who tuned into the live stream Saturday night. That was an absolute fun time. Sucks we weren't able to have everyone on, but it was still fun nonetheless, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. We're going to do another one this upcoming Saturday, so about Friday-ish, I'll probably, post an announcement on my Instagram story. I thought I would do an announcement on a video for last Saturday stream, but if you guys want to submit your cars, keep your eye out on my Instagram. This upcoming Friday, I'll post about it and say that the submissions are open, and you guys can come and submit your cars. But I guess for now, behind the scenes, I'm going to be working on some future projects for this thing and trying to figure out where I want to go with it. It's so frustrating, like it really is. But this just happens. Sometimes stuff screws up and life doesn't go the way you want it to. And this is just one of those circumstances that I just have to, get through. But like I said, behind the scenes I work on some projects. Like I've been talking to my mom, and pretty much like I've said in the past, I think performance-wise this thing's probably done. I think we're probably going to stick to a full bolt-on setup just due to how much it would cost to put a new engine in this thing and supercharge it and go all that stuff, because this is a 240,000 mile engine, so it's definitely not fitting to go and attempt to throw 400 wheel at this thing. But I think we'll probably just go full bolt-on, get a dyno tuned. I'm going to try to talk to Power Lab Performance at some point. It's a shop that a lot of Ford people out this way swear by. Looks like it's going to start storming bad. But they swear by Power Lab, so I'm going to try to see if I can work with them, not work with them like I'm a social media influencer, can I get free tunes? No, not like that, but, see if they can tune this truck and take it there. Me and Michael have been working behind the scenes on building a new cold air intake for this truck, so we're going to work on that probably at some point soon. Probably not, within this week or so, but I do want to get with him. I'm waiting pretty much for shipping stuff to be a little bit less idiotic right now with how everything in the world's going right now, so it's definitely, that's pretty much it. But I'm pretty much working on deciding on a paint color, because I'm going to save up a little bit more once I get this thing mechanically sound. Which means I'm still going to get the AC compressor replaced, and I'm going to try to get the tensioners done as well, the timing tensioners as well. And then she should be good to go mechanically, and we'll run it with a full bolt-on setup until, I either have the money to build this or have the money to replace it. So I really don't want to think about replacing it right now, though, so don't expect that anytime soon. But anyway, that's an update on the full bolt-on Sport Track, and why there probably won't be any videos on it this week because of these stupid Camber kits that's supposed to fit the 03 that doesn't. So not my fault on this one, so I'm happy about that at least. So at least I don't have that in my conscience. But we're going to work on getting this fixed sometime during the week. Probably not, but the storm coming probably does not help the situation at all. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated as we go. Hope you guys enjoyed just this quick update video. Maintenance Mayhem episode 0, if you will. I'll see you guys on Wednesday with a new one. Take care, everyone. Stay safe out there. Also, before I ended this, I want to thank you guys for the support you guys have given the channel. We're up to 970 subscribers. It feels like, I honestly talk about this all the time. It feels like yesterday I was at 100, but I can't thank you guys enough for all the support you guys have given this channel over the last, almost 6 years. But we're really close to 1K, and I really appreciate all of you guys for helping me get there. It means a lot to me. I'm really excited for that, guys. So, yeah, hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you guys on the new video. Like, subscribe for more content coming soon on the truck. And yeah, I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Take care, everyone.